और लोग हमें देख रहे हैं because this is my first time vlogging and I hate it that I'm getting so much attention drawn onto me. I hate vlogging. Okay, bye. चीज वाली चाय my fit check up करके कैसे दिखाऊं? I'm struggling right now to do a fit check but हो गया मुझे घर जाना है. Hi guys, welcome to my vlogs. And if you're thinking why I'm doing a vlog, because I want to. मैं podcast भी करूँगी, मैं vlog भी करूँगी, मैं beauty patterns भी करूँगी, मैं business भी करूँगी. Because why not, right? So I'm doing a vlog because me and Bhavika are going to Vietnam for a special trip. Woohoo! Business trip or trip? We're going to find out soon. Dora, 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 Dora the Explorer. Formula One. फिलहाल हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है और लोग हमें देख रहे हैं because this is my first time vlogging and I hate it that I'm getting so much attention drawn onto me. I hate vlogging. Okay, bye. चुरूस, हम पहुंच चुके हैं वियतनाम और इतनी घटिया फ्लाइट थी, इतनी गंदी फ्लाइट थी. 4 घंटों में मुझे 1 घंटा भी नींद नहीं आया. And my voice is fully gone. My throat is, and yes, let's go to the hotel and bhik mango them to give us a hotel room. Let's see what happens. So we just checked in and they're saying they're not going to give us the room until another 1-2 hours. It's a beautiful property though. You all should look at it. सुंदर है यार. I've heard that Vietnam is the best place when it comes to like evening gowns and red carpet gowns. So we're hunting down the best of the best. Some of them are already pre-made with appointments and they took like 3 to 4 months to make each of these gowns, and some more of them we're going to go source. So this is going to be a very fun trip.
When will you leave here? Tomorrow? Day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. So, okay.
So I also wanted to check out one more gown because I'm really yeah. दिख रहे हैं आपको?
We have the crown too if you want, but this is very
Without the crown.
okay.
Oh my god. I know. It's going like chick chick.
Khiên ra không? Khiên ra không?
So heavy.
3 people
people.
carry this one.
That was so nice.
Yeah.
My god, this is so heavy.
You will be the valet.
I know. Nobody can stand here. आपने कभी चीज़ वाली चाय पी है? अगर नहीं पी है तो दिस इज चीज़ वाली चाय and I don't know how to describe the taste, but it tastes very like salty and like not chai. So it's boba tea and you can eat the cheese. I don't know what kind of combination this is, but let's try it. Let's go try it. चीज़ खा के दिखाओ ना. इन्होंने ये चम्मच भी दिया ताकि तुम चीज़ उठा उठा के खा सको.
Yeah, like the combination is weird, but
Wild.
good.
Hi, Snuggie.
This is Meena and meet her, and she just peed on me and marked me as her territory. Oh my God. ये ना वो वाला लग रहा है जो करीना कपूर नहीं पहनती वीरेडी वेडिंग में, जो उसका क्या कहते हैं उसको, मून वाला ड्रेस, फेरी प्रिंसेस ड्रेस, ये वही है.
Em đánh với người ta xong em trải ra như chị á.
वो देखिए हमारे गाउन्स. स्नेक पीक. ज़्यादा मत दिखाओ. So we're just sitting in the car and we have some time to pass and thought we'd do some reviews of the Met Gala. Comment your favorite looks down below, but mine would be hands down SRK, because a lot of people have other things to think that he didn't outdo his outfit and like कुछ ज़्यादा उसने बहुत grand नहीं किया.
I like Natasha Munawala's outfit.
Yeah, she was
really
good. She was good.
She put all in.
छक्का मारा उसने भाई.
She always does it. She always.
Natasha Munawala. Yeah. What I was telling Bhavika is that I want to see Salman Khan into Met Gala, and I want to watch his audacity to wear his Being Human jeans, True Religion jeans actually,
Yeah.
and Being Human
Being Human
t-shirt.
shirt.
And that blue bracelet and walk like he doesn't give a damn. That'll be the most iconic moment for Met Gala and for Bollywood. And I think Diljit has literally done the most clever thing. And I think that is also his brand, right? He brings his tradition along everywhere, whether it's Coachella, whether it's the Met, and now you can see him do it the second time.
Yes, it was his way of saying to Met that Punjabi aa gaye.
But yeah, because he couldn't scream at the Met, so he was like, okay, let me do it for my outfit, and I absolutely loved it. Maza aa gaya. And slowly I feel like the Met Gala is becoming like a huge Bollywood event.
Yeah.
I think Kiara could have done her outfit a little better. Like, भाई मुझे तो उसका ऐश्वर्या का सेम लग रहा था, the one she wore at Cannes last year.
Yeah. Color
Yeah.
was very similar.
Very similar. Kiara was looking very pretty and all, but I think outfit could have been a little better. Yeah. But anyways, Siddharth was looking very gorgeous, dropping her off at the Met. Gorgeous, gorgeous boy.
Favorite boy.
Favorite boy. And this is day 2 and we're walking on the streets of Vietnam to find a good vegetarian restaurant, although I'm not vegetarian. But Bhavika is, it's been such a pain in the ass to find a good vegetarian restaurant because everything has meat here. How do you feel about that?
Ramen. And it turned out it had
We ordered veg ramen, by the way.
and it had salami in it.
Yeah, veg ramen with salami, imagine. So
I think
for
it was
vegetarians,
vegetable
this is not
ramen.
the place. This is not the place to be. Carry your own food if you're coming to Vietnam and you're vegetarian. My fit check of the day. My very cute top from Zara, of course, pants from Bershka, cuffs from Bhavika, sunglasses from Bershka too. And that's it. Do a fit check. क्या हाल चाल? बोलना.
नहीं नहीं ना
नहीं करना आता क्या? बोलना क्या हाल चाल? बोल क्यों नहीं रही है? बोल. गूंगी है लगता है. अरे
Tamana.
कैसे लग रही है guys? I think this is a very nice fit. Like fairy.
Welcome to the hall.
हम अभी करने वाले हैं पैकिंग शेकिंग. So get ready for it because it's gonna be chaotic. Time lapse.
Hey guys.
Hi everyone, good morning and today आज हमारा last day है वियतनाम में and we have around 3.5 hours till we head to the airport and we've been packed. And अगर मैं आपको रूम की हालत दिखाऊँ ना अभी, आप भी बोलोगे क्या साफ करके निकले हम. But yeah, we have a little bit more of shopping left to do. And this is my fit of the day. I'm wearing like this cute top that I got from Vietnam itself. कैसे दिखाऊँ? I'm struggling right now to do a fit check, but this is my fit. It's a cute like office going shirt, and these are my shoes, my cute bag. Let's go.
हो गया.
मुझे घर जाना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 more inside. So we have so much of luggage, man. Anyways, let's go. तो भाभी क्या हो क्या रहा है? कल हम गाड़ी में बैठ के मेट गाला डिस्कस कर रहे थे, and suddenly now
Everything is changed.
everything is changed overnight, and now like there's a hostile war situation in India. So here we are at the end of this trip. We're going back home. Kuch chocolate market of ready to land. और इतनी turbulence हो रही है. It's lightning. Lightning?
Thunder.
Lightning बोलते हैं ना.
हाँ.
It's lightning outside.
Lightning तो cars में भी है.
It's lightning outside and we're trying to land for the last half an hour. Anyways, bye bye. See you in the next vlog.